Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Aviator Predictor on phone. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your internet browser. And here you need to search Aviator Predictor. Then click on the first website. Then you need to click on download. Once the country check process is complete, you need to click on start and the Aviator Predictor on your mobile will commence downloading. And in this way you can download Aviator Predictor on phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon